ta'weezes which people utilize, you have to be very careful and find out exactly what's in his ta'weez. Sometimes they've got certain names. There was one famous ta'weez recently by pious people also. They call it the word Ya Budduh. So it's also outwardly it seems the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And many people were reading this also. But when you check up the word Budduh, then it comes to one name of shaitan. So we're calling out, and we're thinking we're calling out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but we're calling out to shaitan. Then we met Mufti Razaul Haq Sahib, down Barakatum recently before Ramadan. So he was telling us that he says, for example, many of these numbers also, we do not even know what these numbers mean. Everyone uses it, so we ought to also utilize it. So he said, example, the number 786. So everyone thinks it got the meaning of Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. He said, but if you add all the numbers of Bismillah, it doesn't come to 786. Even now these people, it's become common. So he says, actually, when the only thing they could find is Hare Krishna. 786 is Hare Krishna, I got it, because every letter in the Arabic language, it got a certain number. So what they do, they normally add the numbers. So Ba is 2, Sin is a certain number, Mim is a certain number. So you add all of these numbers and you eventually get a certain number. So he said, no matter how you look at Bismillah, where the letter is missing, Alif is there, Alif is not there, you can't come up to 786. But he said, when you add Hare Krishna, then you come to 786. So I asked Mufti Sahib, then is this like 786 only common amongst our people in Hindustan, or is it also amongst the Arab people? Because if it's like a Hindu god, then how come it's in the Arab world? He said, no, it's not found in the Arab world. It's only found in Hindustan, this number, the 786 in a day. So Allah give us tawfiq. So we learn always and we try to pass on the message. So what benefit is there now? Every person, a Muslim person, they even know they charge you extra money for your cell phone. Because they know the Muslim people like 786. Number plates also we put 786. But it's got no Islamic connotations. So Allah give us tawfiq, inshallah. We try to abstain. And anything we do not know the meaning of, even many of these ta'weezes got numbers. Sometimes you do not even know if it has got the ayat of the Quran, hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Those are the most powerful ta'weezes, ayatul kursi. Those things are 3 quls. They are most powerful ta'weezes. Instead of using all other names and funny things, the person doesn't even know the meaning of. Many years ago, Mr. Hakim Sahib Rahmatullahi was in our country, and there was one Amil who came in, many people went to him, and he was giving him a certain amal of one Hindu Pandit, Jogi Jepal or something like that there. And the people were actually reciting that there, and it was words of shirk. And then Hazrat, when he heard about it, he was very upset, and he made many people recite the kalima again. Then he told him, must repeat the nikahs also again, because it was a words of shirk. Sometimes we do not even know what we are reciting. So a person has to be very careful. It is also ilhad in the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The name of Allah is established, not to use any other name for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Or sometimes they take the names of Allah ta'ala and they change it, and they use it for black magic, etc. We have to be very careful regarding these matters. Allah give us to understand. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanallah.